This is the WN823N Wi-Fi adapter. It is mainly used when a computer does not have Wi-Fi. Let's see how to install this Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 10. First, plug it into the USB port of the PC. Now go to your PC. The driver has been installed on Windows 10, so Wi-Fi is visible on the PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Now the PC is connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can install the WN823N Wi-Fi driver on Windows 10. If it still doesn't work after installing the driver, change the USB port. Unplug the adapter from here. Plug the adapter into a USB 3.0 port on your PC. After doing this, the adapter will work on Windows 10.